During Typhoon Tino, I experienced heavy rain and strong winds that caused power outage and flooding in my area, especially in Danao City. And the earthquakes made me feel scared and uncertain, especially since I was worried about my family's safety. To cope up, I stayed calm, helped my family secure our home, and keep in touch with friends and relatives to support. Some of the earthquake happened is when I was at work, and every time feel shaking is like a trauma. This experience taught me the importance of being prepared, staying calm during emergencies, and valuing me safety of loved ones. I hope that everyone learns to stay vigilant and prepared in such natural disaster as resilience to overcome the challenges. So um God bless everyone. So just pray all the time